Hello and welcome, it's Jolly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia. I'm having a go again at this canvas that I wasn't completely happy with. So I'm going to give it another go and see how we go. I'm using some custom colours where I made up a dusty pink with my global colours. So we're going to give it a go again. So this is my dusty pink, and I think I'm going to go all over the canvas this time. My dusty pink. Got one glove missing. I'm all in a 2 and 8 radio, and I'm going to just use just an offset spatula to spread the paint. Now you can certainly blow this paint, over the canvas, or you can use a sponge brush, which I love doing too. I'm just gonna go over it with this. I think you find these offset spatulas are in the cake department. I have got some in my Amazon shop, in the link down below the video. That's where you will find my paints, my global paints, and my pouring medium. There is a lot of noise going on here today, so very sorry, but it is what it is. Things keep going, the cogs keep turning. Rightio, I'm going to, I think, do my pattern down here and go up this way. I think I'm going to do a wiggles. Down here, I'm going to add some this colour's Tahiti. It's like the turquoise but a much lighter version of it. So go Tahiti. Sounds exotic anyway, doesn't it? I like this actual composition where I will work my way up that way. I'm actually going to add some of the warm red in here. Seems like a funny old mixture, doesn't it? Well, I'll go with it, see how I go. And I think instead of this time, instead of blowing it, I might, oh no, I may still blow it instead of doing a swipe, or do a swipe. I was thinking need something in there to really make it pop, so I might add some of the cool blue. That was like a navy in there. I'll finish off my edges. You can actually do your edges with your fingers, or your edge of your fingers, like so. Remember, there's the only rule is there's no rules. So how easy can that be? So you can absolutely do your edges with your hands. It covers it nice and easy. This bit here will, anyway, I will be taking some paint over those edges. So, and then the clever thing to do would be to have a cloth ready to wipe your hands, which I've got to zoom over here and get. Rightio, I'm expecting my little granddaughter to arrive anytime soon, so hopefully she'll be doing a bit of painting with me. I'm gonna go over with my heat wand to get rid of any air bubbles. I really feel as though I need something in that to make it pop further. Maybe if I try, how do you think orange with dusty pink will go? This kind of looks like fluoro orange maybe. This has been made up in this bottle for quite a long time. So who knows? Rightio, I might use some of my I might go from here and take a swipe downwards to get some nice, all those colours all pop up under there. Oh yes, look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness, I have to bring you down to have a look at those. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Probably before I did this, I should have blowed some of my paint over the edge, maybe. Or tilted it over the edge would have been a good thing, Jilly. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Now, I was thinking just a little bit of a blow from there. I think I'm going to, oh, excuse me. I think I'm going to have to blow this half down and then redo that swipe because I've done it backwards here. There'll be too much paint, but that is gorgeous. Let's see if it doesn't really need any more blowing, but I think I'm going to blow this and then I'll re-swipe it. Let's see how that goes. Well, I actually don't think I'm going to swipe it. I think I'm going to use my edge of this with a little bit of, this is my paint. This one's just got Floetrol in the paint for this particular bit. So I'm going to see if I can do some, wow. Tendrils. I could swipe that again, but I think should I try it? I said I would. Might do just a couple more tendrils because they sort of hopefully carry some of this nice colour up into the dusty pink. I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to give it a swipe down and see if I can get those lovely gem-like cells to come back up. Let's see. I might completely, oh no, look at those straight up. Oh, they don't fail, do they? So this is my Kiss pouring medium with just the Floetrol in the swipe colour. It's actually got my global paint and Floetrol in this one. So if you're ordering the Kiss medium, order your global paints because that's what it we know that it works really well with, is the global paints. Rightio, let's go with this deflated balloon, and we'll go the egg-shaped side of it, maybe just along the bottom as a kind of garland along there, and we'll leave these lovely, wow, we'll leave those lovely gem-like cells. Wow. I'm not sure about this dusty pink. I kind of, if you wait to see the photos at the end, you tell me what you think it looks like. I would hang it, yeah, vertical, not horizontal, I believe. But look at those absolutely gorgeous cells that produced with the kiss pouring medium. So kiss pouring medium marries very nice with Floetrol. So I am going to try some pigments with my pouring medium. I've got some little piggies pigments here, so I'm going to try, because look at that, that's gorgeous. I am just not liking that dusty pink. It does absolutely nothing for me. It reminds me a bit grandma-ish. I'm a grandma. All right, my lovelies. Have a look at the photos at the end. Give me your opinion, please. But it's not floating my boat. And just a reminder to you guys to please, if you're feeling sad, lonely, upset, ring a family member or a friend, or definitely a helpline. Do not suffer in silence. There's always someone there to help you out. Okay, my lovelies, be back tomorrow. Bye for now.